guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to send USDT from Bitget exchange to Tonkeeper wallet. So this is a basic and easy guide on how to simply send USDT from Bitget exchange to Tonkeeper wallet. So step 1, set up your Tonkeeper wallet. If you don't already have the Tonkeeper wallet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Number 2, you need to create a wallet. So open the app and follow the prompts to create a wallet. Locate your USDT TRC20 address. Tonkeeper supports USDT. So what you're going to do here is you have to click receive and then copy the USDT deposit address in Tonkeeper. This will be required to transfer USDT from Bitget. Now log in to Bitget. Open Bitget application or visit the Bitget website and log into your account using your credentials. Go to Assets or Wallet. Once logged in, navigate to Asset, Wallet, or Spot, where you can see your USDT balance. Step 3. Initiate the withdrawal from Bitget. Select USDT in the Assets or Wallet section or Spot. Find USDT from your available balances and select it. Now click or tap on Withdrawal. You will be taken to the withdrawal page. Step 4. Enter the Tonkeeper wallet address. Paste your USDT address on the withdrawal page. Paste the USDT address that you copied from your Tonkeeper wallet. Double check the network is set to TRC20 or Tron network to avoid any issues with the transfer. Enter the amount. Input the amount of USDT you want to transfer from Bitget to your Tonkeeper wallet. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Check the fees, confirm the transfer, complete two-factor authentication. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Once the withdrawal request is submitted, it may take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed by the Tron network. Check your Tonkeeper wallet. So after the transaction is confirmed, you should see the USDT appear in your Tonkeeper wallet under USDT balance. Under your USDT balance. Follow the steps, you should be able to successfully transfer your USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.